Hey, LinkedIn, Fred Stacy, Cloud Call Center Search and Outsource Consultants. I'm back for another video, still answering the question, what AI technologies are we missing or what tools should we be looking at? The first video, I talked about the foundation before going into the AI project. The next one, I talked about bots. Because that's probably the most popular and most implemented in our industry. Now I'm going to talk about what are some of the tools that I see the industry missing or that my clients are getting excited about. First of all, I want to start out with a tool that is just an absolute no-brainer. For the cost of a cup of coffee per month per agent, you can remove all background noise from both the agent side and the caller side. Pretty cool. With a little AI technology that's implemented on the desktop as a driver, it removes background noise on both sides by leveraging AI to remove the wave patterns outside of the voice. This is one of those I wish I would have thought of, but somebody beat me to it. And, this is brilliant. It's been tested. It's been implemented at large BPOs, mid-size, small, direct consumers. It's been implemented with salespeople in technology. Anybody who works at home, it's a no-brainer. If you've got an at-home model, if you've got, any place where background noise can be, a problem, it's a logical solution. The next one I want to talk about is analytics, voice analytics in particular. AI has had significant improvements in accuracy for voice analytics, the NLP engines. The machine learning algorithms, everything has improved significantly in voice analytics. I think this one's a no-brainer. We're only touching maybe 1% of our calls as far as monitoring and QA. We're not getting any unstructured data from that. We're only getting the notes from the agent on what happened on the call. This is a no-brainer to me. 100% calls, the access to the transcriptions, that unstructured data to mine later on, even if you're not using it today. And then of course the improvements on the live call side. Now, particularly live call, I believe that the technology is getting there, but we still have some work to do on the agent experience. As being an agent when I started in this industry, something popping up telling me what to do, there's nothing organic or natural about that. That's going to be something we're going to have to solve. I have seen some great technology uses for live call sentiment analysis, for agent performance and in their, in their pitch, their tones, their speed, stuff like that. But as far as true live voice analytics with next best steps, that's stuff that's going to have to continue to be worked and fine-tuned, but there are some cool things going on out there with it. But voice analytics in general, no-brainer, easy cost-benefit analysis, definitely something you got to be looking at. And what I believe the next generation of AI technology that we're all going to be seeing over the next few years, especially at the enterprise level, is leveraging AI to define personas, and then underneath those personas define specific attributes on the customer service side. No, I'm not talking marketing. I'm talking about customer service. And then taking the edge data that we're getting from the IoT devices and combining that to create an environment where, you not only know what channel your customer prefers to communicate on, but then you have a next layer of what channel is best to answer that particular problem with. And then you have another layer is what are the best solutions to that problem consistently. This is going to be done, it will take time to get down to the SMB market. I don't see this being productized anytime soon because the complexities and the multiple data sources and all of that. But as we get further along this digital journey, and we're all doing better jobs at capturing all this data, normalizing it, putting it into formats in which we can use, this is where AI engines are going to be able to make these decisions and provide these solutions in milliseconds. And that's going to create something I'm going to be talking about a lot, which is the frictionless experience. And I believe that's where AI comes in, is it really helps us start to remove friction from every interaction. So with that, I'm going to say, have a great weekend. I really appreciate you guys. Like, share, comment, especially comment, ask your questions down below. And with that, get back to work.